First, ensure your disposal is empty by running water and turning on the disposal, then turn off the disposal. Now that your disposal is empty, run a strong stream of hot water into the sink with the disposal. If you have a double sink, make sure to run the hot water stream on the disposal side. Next, push the pouch into the disposal while the hot water stream is on. Immediately turn the disposal on for 2 seconds, then quickly turn off both the disposal and the water. Make sure your hand is clear of the disposal before turning it on. The cleaning foam will begin to rise from the drain, cleaning all the grease and grime that it comes into contact with. Once the foam retreats, rinse the sink clean of any residual foam. Then enjoy your fresh, clean disposal. Repeat monthly or more often if needed.